What's up, guys? Welcome back to our channel. If you're just time for the first time, click that subscribe button down here and stay up to date with my newest videos, guys. Without further ado, just got off work and we're gonna start work. So I'm gonna show you guys what we're gonna be working on, man. So it's been a long time and now it's finally here, so I'm gonna show you guys. So here it is, guys. Yes, we're finally gonna work on the SVT Lightning, the red one. It's been a couple of months, but it took a while to get the engine back in here. It was at the shop for a long time. So show you guys the engine. Here it is. So this is the same block, guys, we put in that was making that weird sound. And yes, what I did told you guys, I thought it was gonna be some rods that were bad, or the bearings, and yes, it was. But this is the engine, brand new. They went with Icon pistons. They're a little bit forged. They can handle a little bit of boost. They stay with the stock rods. They went 30 over on the bore, on the pistons, stock heads, stage 2 cams. They were just cleaned out, surfaced again, painted, and these are the pistons, the Icon pistons. So I'm gonna show you guys the old crank that was in this engine that was making that rattle noise. So whenever we used to rev it up a little bit, and what I told you guys that it was bad, and it was. Just look at that. Both of these connecting rods were moving like crazy, and it looked like it didn't even have a bearing in there. So this is the old crank, and yes, 5.4X, it's bad. You can still fix it, but I don't trust that because you're gonna have bearing clearances and all that stuff. But I just gotta get another crank. So that's what they did, got another crank, and that's the engine, guys. So we're gonna be dropping this engine in. I don't know how much we're gonna get done today, but we'll try to do as much as we can, guys. So we're just gonna set it in, maybe bolt up the transmission, flywheel, converter, and the motor mounts. Tomorrow we'll get the rest, but I think it's gonna be a 2-day, maybe 2 videos, 2 episodes. So here's our man again, and we're gonna get started, guys. So we'll see you in a bit. All right, so the engine's in. Took about 25 minutes to get it in, get the transmission bolted, and get the engine on the motor mounts. So I'll show you guys. So there's the transmission bolted already. Got the motor mounts in where they're supposed to be. We're just gonna put those bolts in there on the motor mounts, so you guys know and see. Transmission mounted. So there's the engine. It's in. Like I said, it took us about 25 minutes to get it in there, but it's all in there. Now we're gonna start assembling the rest of the parts, tying everything up, going with the exhaust, working our way up. But we'll see how much we'll get this today done, and we'll be back. Right, so we already got the bolts in the motor mount, so they're in already. Like I said, now we already got all the transmission bolts tied up. Everything's good. We were gonna put the headers on, but Mando has to go weld some piping at Terli's speed shop, so we're gonna quit it for today. We'll be back tomorrow. Show you guys the other side. There it is. So we'll see you guys tomorrow. All right, guys, so we're back. This is day 2. Just arrived like 30 minutes ago. Mando's been going on the truck all day, and it's pretty much done, man. So you're gonna see the engine be a little bit dirty with some messy stuff, but we're just gonna try to get it going, see if it starts pretty good. He already did the pre-lube on the engine, rolled it for a bit, let it pick up oil, and I want to switch the cameras, and I'm gonna show you guys. We're gonna go for the first start and check we have oil pressure and all that stuff. So all right guys, so here's the engine. Mando's been working on it, like I said, all day. Yesterday we set the engine and transmission bolted on, and now he already finished everything. Everything looks a little bit messy right now because we're waiting on the EGR delete kit, and for now we just want to test the truck runs. Starts up fine. We already did the pre-lube on it, so we rolled it for a little bit by itself and to get some oil on the chains and all that stuff. So we're gonna start it for the first time. I want to have to give a little bit of gas to start off because we don't have the cable. So we're gonna see. All right, Mando, let's go. Well, she's alive. Mando said she had good pressure, oil pressure on it, so gave me the thumbs up. So she starts, so stops when you let off because it doesn't have the cable to keep it on that little throttle in the back. But man, Mando did a great job, man. Got everything bolted on, converter, flywheel, did all the injectors, spark plugs, turkey pan, supercharger, all the lines. But like I said, we're still gonna wait on the fix all the wiring. We're gonna put everything neat before and better than what it was before it came here. We're gonna do the EGR delete kit on it, and she's gonna be good to roll. I think these guys are gonna go tune it Saturday. They're gonna run it for about 2 days, 3 days, daily drive it, get some miles in, change the oil. And these guys already have an appointment on Saturday to get it tuned, so I'll try to get a video of that. But that's where we're at, guys. So she's back, she's alive, and she sounds healthy. Once the tunes settle in, man, that cam is gonna sound super nice. That lobe to it's gonna sound nice, better than it sounds now because it's open headers. But and they're gonna do a new exhaust, so it's gonna be pretty damn nice. But that's all for today, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this short video. Couldn't get the assembly because I was working, got out late, but there it is, guys. SVT Lightning, she's back alive.